Hey friends, welcome back to my new video. In this video I am going to explain you how to make a automatic plant water irrigation using Arduino. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press bell icon to get notified. Components required for this project: Arduino UNO, soil moisture sensor, a relay module, water pump, it's optional, jumper wires, plant pot. Connect all the connections as per the diagram. Now let's see the programming part. Here I declared the pins of our sensor and relay. The relay is connected to the output pin of our Arduino and the sensor is connected to the input pin of the Arduino. This is our main code. If the sensor value receive low value from the output, the motor will turn off automatically. Else if it receive high value from the output, the motor will turn on automatically. Select the proper board and port, then hit the upload button. That's it about programming part. Here I connected Arduino with relay to control the water pump and I placed sensor in the plant pot. If the plant is dry, the motor will turn on automatically. If it becomes wet, it will turn off automatically. Again, if it becomes dry, the motor will turn on automatically. If it becomes wet, it will turn off automatically. So please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.